In this video, we're reviewing Slack, one of the most popular team collaboration platforms out there. If you're considering using Slack for your team, you've come to the right place. Slack is designed to streamline communication within teams, offering real-time messaging, file sharing, and integrations with various other tools, which makes managing projects and workflows much more efficient. First off, when you log into Slack, you're greeted by a sleek, user-friendly interface. The sidebar on the left is where you'll find your channels, direct messages, and any shared files or apps. Channels are the heart of Slack, whether it's a general team-wide discussion or a smaller, project-specific conversation. Channels keep everything organized. You can create public or private channels, and even threads within each conversation to keep things tidy and focused. Slack search function is incredibly robust, so if you ever need to find a specific message or file, it's easy to filter by keywords, dates, or specific users. You can also save important messages to revisit later, or pin messages that are essential to the team. One of the best features of Slack is its integrations. Whether it's Google Drive, Zoom, Trello, or Asana, you can connect numerous tools directly within Slack. This integration lets you pull up and share important files, assign tasks, or even start video calls without leaving the app, making it a central hub for your team's workflow. Now, let's talk about pricing. Slack offers both free and paid plans. The free plan is decent, especially for smaller teams or casual use, but it has limitations, such as a cap on message history and integrations. If you're looking for advanced features, like unlimited message search, more integrations, and increased security, you may want to consider one of the paid plans. These plans can scale with your team's needs and start at a reasonable price point, but the cost can add up if you have a larger team. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do take a look after watching this video to find additional resources that could help you improve your team's workflow or find similar tools. In terms of usability, Slack is available on desktop and mobile devices, ensuring you can stay connected wherever you are. The mobile app is just as functional as the desktop version, with all the core features like message notifications, file sharing, and direct messages. Plus, you can customize notifications to suit your preferences, so you're not overwhelmed by constant pings. One minor downside is that Slack can become overwhelming with too many channels or messages. Notifications can pile up quickly, and without proper organization, it can be difficult to track important conversations. Thankfully, Slack offers options to mute channels, prioritize certain notifications, and even set do not disturb hours, which helps reduce distractions. All in all, Slack remains one of the top tools for team communication and project management. Its powerful features, integrations, and ease of use make it an invaluable asset for many teams. However, it may not be necessary for everyone, especially smaller teams or those who prefer simpler solutions. If you're interested in learning more about Slack or similar collaboration tools, make sure to check the description for useful links. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech tips. Let me know in the comments what you think about Slack. Is it the right tool for your team?